What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we are going to be drawing Eri from My Hero Academia, but it's that scene where she has the apple in her hand. You know, that where Deku gives her that candied apple. So real good scene from My Hero Academia, real wholesome scene. So the best image I could find was from the manga actually. So there isn't some good ones of her whole face in the anime. So we'll go for a manga drawing today. So let's start with her eyes. I'm on landscape paper, use pencil and an eraser, and hit pause if I go too fast. So, real big eyes, right? Big eyelid lines. So we're gonna like center, along the center line, right? Just over here to the right. So we'll go around. Right, and you gotta thicken this up and make it like real thick and dark because we're like close up on her face. Little sort of spike down here at the bottom, curves around, right? And like so, and some eyelashes. 1, 2, and there's like a couple down here. Just coming around her bottom eyelid like that, right? So then she's got a big iris, right? Curves around. It's kind of like an oval. It's not a perfect circle. Kind of curves around like this. And it just stops here. It doesn't finish, and there's no line sort of drawn in for her bottom eyelid either. So we just stop it kind of here. Right, so then she's got like shines, like highlights. So like one here, and then one say up here, and then her pupil on the inside just sort of comes around here. Right, so that's like her eye, so massive, right? Then the other eye, so just over here, go across again. Right, so we'll bring it crossing down, somewhat similar to the other one. Spikes down here, comes back up around. Like so, okay? And then you'll just color that in dark. All right, and then we'll add some eyelashes. Just here. So, and then she's got like some little eyelashes down the bottom, just coming underneath her iris, and then up around, so. To there, and then shine, highlight, kind of like this one, just in here. Another shine or a highlight up here, and then her pupil comes down around. Just there. It doesn't sort of end, it just like stops at her eyelid, like so. Okay, so that's her eyes, right? So then her nose. So we just have two little lines there like that, and then like some hatching coming down there. Then her mouth, so real big smile, right? And her tongue sticking out on this side. So we'll go up to here. And it's kind of thicker on the end. So we got like a little sort of dot or something there. And then her tongue kind of just sticks out real small. Sticks out here. And it's got some hatching on it like that. And then do the same thing on this side for the smiling mouth. Kind of make it like a little dot just on the end, like so. So we have just an eyelid line up here, like so, and then our eyebrows real high up on her head, comes down like that, right? And then just a place to add some color, but they're real skinny, right? So just like so. And then same thing over here. Down like that. And then just a little spot for some gray color there. So we can't see her chin or anything. We can just see the apples covering it, right? So we'll just add some. So she's got this blushing sort of cheek lines on her face here as well. Right? And then the apple is just down here. So it's like a candy apple, right? So it's got this sort of top, bumping sort of top to it there. And then this will go down around here, and her hand is like cupped underneath the bottom, right? So it doesn't go all the way. So her hand kind of covers this. This comes across sort of that way. And what we can see of her hand, so we can just see like her thumb just here. Comes down off my page. Of course, you have more room, you can add more. Or just cut your page. You know, sometimes if you finish up here, you can like literally just cut your page off to fit your drawing. It's a very common thing to do. Then a finger comes around like that. Then we have a fingernail. Just here. And then this comes around to there. This comes around to here. Line there, there. Right, so her face is real round, right? It just comes out the side here. It's real. She's a real sort of cartoony kind of face, right? So very old style anime. Up like this. And then on this side, we go up the other side. Right, real round. We can see like a little bit of her ears, and then her hair all comes down across her face. Okay, so it starts kind of up here. This is the height, like, so say like here. That's the top of her forehead. So the top of her forehead is about the same as, like, say the distance between her eyes and her eyebrow. You go up that bit again. So this eyes to eyebrow, about the same as eyebrow to top of the forehead, okay? And then her hair comes down across her face, all the way down then off the page, like that, right? And the other side as well. Except here, there's the horn, okay? So this kind of, it's real small. Comes around like that. And then something else. There. And then this one will come down like so. And in under here we can see like her ears, like a little bit of her ears, so just under there. And then some bones and ligaments on the inside, and maybe like some sideburn or something. Like there, like side of her hair or something there. And then like it seems to be all shaded in. Is that a word? Shaded. Add some shaded. And then over here, ear there, and then same sort of thing, like a shadow sort of. I can't talk. We can't say shadow. Shaded. So just like shade this in here. Right. Right, so we got like some hairlines, just like so, and then her shoulders just in here. She's got like two sort of layers of clothing. So we got the sort of sleeveless dungarees, I think is what they are, but I'm not sure. way. And then her shoulder comes out from there, goes like underneath her hair. Like that. And then we can see like some lines for her hair back here. Like that. Right, so then it's mostly just hair then the rest of the way. There's some faux lines on her clothing here. And then the rest of her hair, so we'll just go kind of bumps out this way. Real long. Right, and you could have like some overlapping stuff. So like, you know, some like this, just to make it sort of a bit more hair-like. Right, and there's all texture and stuff on the inside here as well, just to make it look more hairy. So like that, and there's like a couple of strands of hair down this way. Next one, maybe we can see some of her shoulder bunched up kind of there, and then some more here, there. So lots of different ways of doing this now. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine. I'm just sort of copying the picture as best I can. But I'm not being super careful because, you know, hair moves and blows around and changes direction and all that kind of stuff. So you don't have to be too precious as long as you get the kind of general direction of the flow. Right, but I think that'll do. That's how to draw Airy with her candied apple. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.